So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can delete a published gig on your Fiverr or an active gig on your Fiverr account profile. So first of all, you need to open your Fiverr account on any of the devices that you have been using. For example, let me open the Fiverr on my Windows PC browser. You can do the same process from smartphones as well if you are using the Fiverr over there. So this is the home page. First let me switch to the selling account. When I click there, over the top right corner it is the switch, and my account has been now switched to selling. Now this is the dashboard, and now to delete a gig, all I have to do is to just simply over the top window you're gonna find four options: the dashboard and the my business and two more. I just need to click on this button of my business and you're gonna find this gigs option. Now this is the gig that all have been published and currently active. You're gonna find the list of all the gigs. Currently I have this one, and if I want to delete this, you're gonna see this icon over the most right of this window. When I click there, you're gonna find this option of delete. When I click there, it is going to be it's warning me, or it's a confirmation sign that if I want to delete this gig, I just need to hit OK, and once I do that, this particular gig has been now deactivated or deleted from my active gigs list. So by this method you can easily delete a published or an active gig on Fiverr. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.